Join me on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that is commonly used as a leavening agent in baking. When baking soda is combined with acidic ingredients such as vinegar, lemon juice, or buttermilk, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which helps baked goods rise and become fluffy. In addition to its use in baking, baking soda has a wide range of household and personal care applications due to its ability to neutralize odors and act as a mild abrasive. It is a naturally occurring mineral that is found in many mineral springs and is typically processed and sold as a fine powder for various applications. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile and affordable household item that can be used for many purposes beyond just baking. Here are 10 surprising uses for baking soda. 1. Deodorize your fridge. Place an open box of baking soda in your refrigerator to absorb any unwanted odors. Baking soda works by neutralizing the acidic compounds that cause smells in your fridge. 2. Freshen carpets. Baking soda is great at removing odors from carpets. Simply sprinkle baking soda over your carpets, let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum it up. The baking soda will absorb any odors, leaving your carpets smelling fresh. 3. Remove stains from clothing. Baking soda can be used to remove stains from clothing. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste, apply it to the stain, and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing. The baking soda will help to break down the stain, making it easier to remove. 4. Clean your dishwasher. Over time, dishwashers can become smelly due to built-up food particles and bacteria. To clean your dishwasher, sprinkle baking soda in the bottom and run a cycle. The baking soda will help to remove any odors and buildup. 5. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda can be used as a natural teeth whitener. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Brush your teeth with it for 2 minutes, then rinse. Baking soda helps to remove surface stains on your teeth, leaving them brighter. 6. Soothe insect bites. Baking soda can be used to reduce itching and swelling from insect bites. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste, apply it to the bite, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. 7. Clean your oven. Baking soda can be used to clean your oven without harsh chemicals. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste, spread it over the inside of your oven, let it sit for 15 minutes, then wipe it clean. 8. Remove grease from pots and pans. Baking soda can help to remove grease from pots and pans. Sprinkle baking soda on your greasy pots and pans, add hot water, and let it sit for 15 minutes before washing. 9. Freshen your breath. Baking soda can be used as a natural mouthwash to freshen breath. Mix baking soda with water, swish it around your mouth, then spit it out. Baking soda helps to neutralize any odors in your mouth. 10. Deodorize shoes. Baking soda can help to absorb odors from shoes. Simply sprinkle baking soda in your shoes, let it sit overnight, then shake it out in the morning. The baking soda will absorb any unwanted odors. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and set the alarm.